Ladies and gentlemen, we're back. We are back with another week in review down here in the shop. It's finally quieted down, so we were able to make our intro video and show you guys what we all did here in the garage this week. Now you'll be seeing UTV on tracks, a really cool Ford Mustang getting a bunch of tint. We had some wheel and tire packages going on, some different accessories, so make sure you stick around this week and see what all happened here at Extreme Customs in the garage.
What do we have here?
Oh, what's going on? We got some Lund side steps going on this Chevy 1500. This little accessory we're adding to the truck.
Not much lift to it.
No, it doesn't look like the truck has much done to it aside for this. It's got the bed cap though. Some window visors, or vent visors, I should say.
Come check out the inside of this thing.
What do we have here?
We got a heated steering wheel.
Oh my lord.
The whole nine.
Whole nine.
The whole nine, man.
Oh my.
Not a bad way to spend 30 grand.
That's right.
Oh my God.
It says it does 130. We'll let the customer find that out though.
What percent tint are we doing on this?
5% all the way around.
All the way around. 2019.
Nice beauty.
Nice.
Usually with a little heat.
What do we got here?
We got a brand new Chevy Colorado. This is kind of a cool color. Brand new truck too. We got some Hilo wheels going on here.
Hilo wheels.
Hilo wheels. Nice little 17-inch wheel, replacing the factory setup.
All right.
Factory set didn't look too bad, but
Not at all. Yo, Tony, how's the tint coming?
It's going good, man.
Working on the back window?
Yes, I am.
Very, very nice.
Always.
Always.
Always make it look easier than it seems.
Are we all done?
Yes, we are, sir.
All right.
About to pull it out.
Let me take a look at this. That's a happy customer?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Oh yeah?
I actually spent a little more time on this than I usually do. Just to make them happy.
Well, you did a great job, man.
Oh,
There we go, up top.
all right,
Let's
man.
go.
Peace to the customer.
All right, peace out. Hey, Alex, I think you're doing a great job.
yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
It's not easy being a certified Porsche technician here at the shop. Self-certified.
Hey, Ben, what do you think of it?
It's bitchin'.
All finished?
All set.
All right.
You give it back to a happy customer.
Hey, Josh, you gotta tell me, just what are you doing to this Malibu? What? This and that. This and that. This and that. Putting some wheels on there, bud?
Probably gonna be putting some wheels on it, yeah, you know.
What kind of wheels we doing?
Oh, you know, just some visions and all, you know.
Oh, yeah, yo, your vision's on a Malibu. That's very nice there, bud.
It's a nice deal, you know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Boom.
Boom. Get stuck.
All right, so we just got done getting this 1980 Chevy Malibu set up on these Vision shift wheels. Now, we did a week in review or a wheel review video on these shift wheels, but we hadn't seen one on a vehicle yet, and I would have to say this is probably one of the best examples that we could have put these shift wheels on. The customer is super stoked. I mean, it just made this thing that much more awesome of a classic car. This is probably the cleanest Malibu from the 80s that I've sat in to date, and you know, it's got the 4-speed manual shift, so I mean, just an all-around awesome car now sitting on some really cool wheels. So we're gonna get it back to the customer and see how excited he is to take it home.
You think he's happy?
I think he's pretty happy. I want one now.
You want one?
All right, guys, well, we appreciate you sticking around for this week's Week in Review. We hope you like what you saw. Now, again, we come every single week with a new Week in Review video that helps you stay up to date on all the cool stuff coming in and out of the doors here at Extreme Customs, and also gives you a sneak peek of what all happens here on the shop floor. Now, again, this is Alex signing off, but we want to make a quick reminder that if you haven't already, make sure you check out our giveaway, the latest giveaway in Extreme Customs history. It's the biggest, baddest one we've ever done. That's 8 vehicles to choose from, $10,000 cash on top of that if you win, and you can get free entries, which is the best way, you know, or the coolest way I would think to get involved in this giveaway. Now, if you don't want to wait around for free entries, you can also buy some gear on the site. We got a ton of new styles of clothing on there. Make sure you snag up a t-shirt, a hat, a koozie, even some air fresheners. We got some really cool stuff, and all that stuff gets you hundreds of entries into the giveaway. So make sure you check that out on extremecustoms.com. And again, we appreciate you sticking around for this week's Week in Review. We'll see you guys next week.